Started.
Okay, sir. So first of all, good evening, sir. How are you?
Yes. Good evening. I'm good. Thanks for asking. And how about you?
I'm also great, sir, and I'm doing well. So can you
Okay.
introduce, sir?
Sure. As you know, my name is Pankaj and I'm from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. I'm working person. I'm work in a private company, and my hobbies are reading books, playing cricket, and I'm a graduate person. So that's all about myself.
Okay, sir. Good.
Okay. So it's your turn. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Satya. I'm from Aurangabad, Bihar, and I'm an English teacher. Right now, I have offline institute in my district, and I did graduation. Now I'm pursuing master in English, and I am fond of watching movies. This is my short intro.
Okay, okay. So, like you are a teacher.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so since when you are in this field, like teaching profession?
It has been 4 years because I have started in 2021 and now it is 2025.
Oh, wow. And so, what brings you to come over here?
Okay. In teaching field on this application.
We can say on this application.
Okay. Because I have a YouTube channel and I have watched many YouTubers videos. So I thought that it is beneficial if I will upload conversational videos so my student will also watch. And I think my, you can say, practice will also go on.
Yeah, absolutely. Whatever we make conversation, we talk. So if we upload, so we can also see and monitor that our conversation any times. And if someone others they
Mm.
will watch, so they can also learn some things from this kind of conversations. Who is just want to start, and many person also get motivate. Uh, being watching these kind of videos. So yeah, this
Yes.
is really good. So I have one question. You are from Aurangabad. So what is the special things? What is the famous in your area and your city like Aurangabad? There is anything special because I believe in every city, every state have
Mhm.
something special. So what is the special things in Aurangabad?
Okay. Let me explain.
Sorry.
Aurangabad is near to Sasaram, Dehri Sasaram. Okay. And Aurangabad is mostly famous for Chhath Puja. In Chhath occasion, most of the people come here to celebrate Chhath Puja, and I think the huge crowd here that time. Because it is said that the temple were made by God in Umga and in Dev, and no human was worked on that temple. That were the gift of gods. So, and that's why most of us come to celebrate and worship here.
So I have now I want to ask something different, some different kind of questions. So like if you could have any kind of superpowers, so what would it be? And where you what one things you want to change in this universe? You got my point?
Yeah, I got it. But I think there are not only one thing, but also many things which should be changed. And if I will have superpower, then nowadays mostly people has become, you can say, greedy, and they are forgetting their culture, customs, and our ancestors' rules because for the want of money, um, name, fame, we are losing everything, and the poor people was robbed by the rich people, the rich man, and the, you can say, and also the powerful person. Okay. And most of us are being looted everywhere, uh, by because of, you can say, super money, superpower. If I am inferior to them, so I think in every sector, not only I will not talk about any particular sector. Every sector is nowadays become, you can say, very even discriminated, and you can say greedy. In every sector, there are a lot of people.
Okay, okay. Yeah, nice.
What's
So
your opinion?
if I could have any kind of, I could have any kind of superpower. So I wish to, you know, to maintain
Mm.
the peace in this universe. This is my wish, and only the one things I ask to God and this power.
Mm.
It's if possible, if I could
Mm.
have any superpowers, so I just utilize that power to maintain the peace in this universe.
Yeah, of course, it should be, because the mind is a restless bird. I think we have studied in many books, and the more it gets, the more it wants. And after all these things, it is until unsatisfied. And nowadays, people are becoming like this. They are getting everything, but they are not satisfied. And the more they want, the more they, you can say, get, the more they want. So I think we should be satisfied the thing which have, and we are searching the happiness from here and there, and from, you can say, to, if I will get that thing, then I will be happy. Then when I will be the richest person, then I will be happy. So I think happiness doesn't depend on our wealth. It depends on our mental condition. And we are not, you can say, we are not understanding this thing.
Okay, yeah. One another question: do you like to watching movies?
Yes, I'm fond of watching movies, as I told you.
Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. Oh,
Recently
sorry, I
I'm
forgot.
getting time, so I'm not watching movies. But when I had time, I used to watch a lot of movies, and had I have watched many movies from South industry.
Okay, so this is my question. I am just going to ask you which kind of movies you mostly prefer to watch, like South Indian or Bollywood, and why?
I think, according to my age, my desire, my wish is different. When I was kid, I used to watch fighting movies, and that time I used to watch Bollywood movies. When I became adult, then that time I used to watch, you can say, emotional movies, and also, you can say, love movies, that like of. And when I grow up um, much, then I used to watch, you can say, psycho movie, and some psycho movies means, which has mystery, and like that thing. And according to my age, you can say, I have selected my choice, and I
Oh.
think it goes with everyone.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely. Like in my childhood, I'm also fond of to watch movies, but not nowadays.
Mhm.
I that time in my childhood I often watch like Bollywood movies, but nowadays not watching. Even nowadays I'm avoiding watching movie any kind of. But if I
Mhm.
have to any movies, so I try to find a good movie in South industry, and I watch those
Mhm.
movies because there is one reason. When you saw any South Indian movies, those movies are really, you can find some things new. They always make like some creative, some new stories. In
Mhm.
South which I always find there are in every after every moment you find some things new, some things
mm,
interesting. But in Hollywood, what sorry, Bollywood, what happening nowadays? They are just start to copying some like
mm,
Bollywood, and even if they are making some new, so they are also there are so much vulgarity. They are serving so much vulgarity in Bollywood movies, which one you can't see with your family. So this is also one big issue in Bollywood nowadays. So I believe
mm,
uh, like
mm,
Bollywood, like South industry movies are really very good compared to
mm,
Bollywood
mm.
movies. So I also love to watching Bollywood, sorry, Tollywood movies.
I think also South movie actors respect their culture, customs, and their tradition. But in Bollywood movie, the actors and actresses are forgetting their tradition, culture, and custom. They are just showing off everything.
Hmm. Okay, okay. Yes.
So I think we have discussed many things, and right now I don't have a question. Oh,
No issue. Right. We should wrap up our conversation here, and we
okay, sir. Thank you.
will. Okay. So, thank you, and have a nice day. Bye
You too,
bye.
sir.